morning, children. Open your EVS textbooks, page number 62. Before that, we have studied in our last class about a water, how rain forms, how the process of rain means there are evaporation and condensation process occurs due to the heat of sun rays. Next one, flowers, different animals. We have studied the whole information about that. So now today we have to start a new lesson with the name of food health. Means food is how much important to our body, what food gives us, which food have what qualities, such type of things we have to study in that lesson. So open your EVS textbooks, page number 62, lesson number 8, food health. What food gives us energy to do different types of work. Next, food gives us, if you are eating different food, fruits, vegetables daily, you will be strong and healthy always. So can I start the lesson? Keep your finger on word to word, children. Give concentration here. It was Deepa's birthday. Whose birthday was there? Deepa's birthday. Okay. She likes carrot halwa very much. Her mother had prepared carrot halwa for her birthday. She eat well and slept well. She had a dream. What did she dream of? Carrot. So whose birthday was there? Deepa's birthday. Yes, and she likes to eat a carrot halwa very much. So her mother makes a carrot halwa for her. And she eats that halwa the whole day. She eats that carrot halwa and she slept at night and she had one dream at night. So what was that dream? The conversation between who and who? So it's very interesting. Listen carefully, children. It was a dream with the carrot. Dream, she ate that day full of carrot halwa. So at night, when she slept, that she had the dream of carrot. What carrot adds to Deepa? Deepa, I am a carrot. You had enough of my halwa. Now let me know what you ate regularly. She loves carrot halwa and on her birthday she eat the whole day carrot halwa. So carrot came at night sleep dream and he said to Deepa, you eat me the whole day. So now can I tell you what we have to do? Eat regularly. So Deepa said, yes you can. I eat well, different food items every day. I know how and from which food items are prepared. Deepa said, yes, I am eating every day the different types of vegetable and fruits and I know what is the uses of that food, how it's prepared. Carrot says, alright, make a list of all the food items that you know and eat. So here one activity. Which food, now this activity you do children's, which food items you are eating a daily in your home. Write down these names. Means maybe it may be chapati, rice, vegetables. Which vegetable you are eating, write the name. Which fruit you are eating. If you are drinking milk, write down the such type of name here. So turn page number 63. Next, what you have to do, classify the food item, your favorite list, write down in the space given provided. Means food, energy giving food item which help us to grow, food items which give protection to our body, which food items means each and every vegetable, each and every pulses, fruits, they contain different vitamins, different minerals. So which are they? I will told. Carrot said, Deepa, do you know the food you eat contain the nutrient that gives us energy, help to grow and protect health? Which items, every fruit, every vegetable means all this food contain a lots of nutrient. Okay, it contains lots of nutrient and it gives energy to our body. It protects us from different viruses and also it will help to grow. So Deepa said, no, I don't know. She don't know such type of nutrient are present in food. She is eating only that food, but she don't know which food item have different nutrient. So carrot says these nutrients are, which are the nutrients? These are all these nutrients. I have written here. Carbohydrate. All these are the nutrients. What are they? These are the nutrients, children. Nutrients. These are the nutrients. Which are they? These 6 nutrients, 5 nutrients. First one is carbohydrate. Second one is lipids. Third one proteins, mineral salt, and fifth one is a vitamins. First one carbohydrate and lipids. What it gives? It gives energy to our body, energy to do different work. Then which food atoms contain carbohydrate and lipids? We will see in the next lesson, next page. First one, carbohydrate and lipids gives us energy. Carbohydrate and, we keep it in mind children, carbohydrate and lipids gives us energy. Next one, proteins. What proteins gives? Proteins gives growth to our body. Proteins is useful to grow, means all the eggs. Next one, milk. It contains lots of proteins. So it gives growth to our body. Next one, mineral salt and vitamins. Vitamin 1, A, B, C, D, E, B12. All these are the different vitamins we have. So mineral salt and vitamins. All these things gives us body structure and protection of health. What vitamins and mineral salt gives us? It controls our body structure and protection of health, means different. So now we are suffering from a coronavirus. So due to that virus, it all mineral salt and vitamins protect us from that virus. So we have to eat the vitamin content food and mineral content salt also. So keep it in mind children, this chart is very important. These 5 are the nutrients. Which are they? Carbohydrate, lipids, proteins, mineral salt and vitamins. All these 5 are the nutrients. Carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, mineral salt and vitamins. All the vitamins. These are very useful to our body. So turn on the next page. In which food items are these nutrients found? Now know it from my friends, means yes, which food item contain carbohydrates, lipids, they will show now. And ragi. Which one is here? They are given some pulses, some crops. So which one is this? This is a ragi. I have carbohydrates as the main nutrient. I give energy to the body. What ragi gives us? Ragi have contained lots of carbohydrate and it gives energy to our body. Picture of my friends who have a lot of carbohydrate are given here. Identify and name them. So these are the food items which contain lots of carbohydrate. Carbohydrate gives us energy. So which are they? This is the corn, sweet potato, wheat, jawar, potato, sugar cane and honey. All these food items contains lots of carbohydrate. Due to the storage of carbohydrate, one has to suffer from weakness. Lots of, if you are not eating such type of food, then body will be weak. It will very weakness. So you should have to eat this carbohydrate content food. Deepa, look here. I am in cow beans. I have a lot of protein. It helps to grow up your body. Which food is this? Which is this beans? This is a cow beans and it contains a lot of protein and it will help to grow your body. Growth of your body means second one is protein. Protein means lots of protein contains only cow beans. So you have to eat that beans also. It will give us growth to your body. Next on page 66. See my other friends, identify them and write their names. Here some another all pulses contains a lots of protein. So which are some pulses? They are given here. You have to identify. First one is a yellow pigeon peas. We called as a yellow pigeon peas. Second one, black eye beans. Third one, chana dal here. Next one, groundnuts they are given. So all the pulses contains a lots of proteins here. Apart from grains, proteins are present in some other food items also. Apart from grains, means all these are the grains, pulses. Apart of that means some other food items are also there which contains a lots of proteins. First one is eggs. Sorry. Second one is here fish, milk and meat. All these non-vegetarian items also contains a proteins, and proteins is very useful to growth of our body. Which are these food items, children? First one, all the grains, all the pulses have lots of proteins. And apart of that grains, which food items contain again? All non-vegetarian food items also contain a proteins, means egg, milk, fish and meat. You have to eat these food items also. So carrot says, Deepa, look here, the butter, it has a high fat contain. Which food item is this? Second one, they are shown here a butter, it contains a lots of fat. Groundnut oil, coconut oil, sesame oil, ghee also have high fat contain, means all these oil and ghee and butter contain a lots of fatness. Deepa said, what is the use of fat? Carrot say, even if we use a little fat, it's enough. Fat gives more energy than carbohydrate. What fat gives us? Fat gives us more energy than carbohydrate. Carbohydrate gives us energy, okay? But fat is also gives us more energy than carbohydrate. Deepa says, yes, does it? Carrot says, do you eat different vegetables, fruits and salt? Yes, the carrot is asking Deepa, are you eating different vegetables, fruits and different types of salt? Deepa says, yes, I do, but I don't like the grains. Means yes, she is eating the different vegetables, different fruits, but she don't like a green vegetables, leafy vegetables she doesn't like. So carrot says, look Deepa, you have to eat all the vegetables, green and fruits as they are rich in minerals, salt and vitamins. They protect you from diseases and keep you healthy. All, yes children, if you are eating this vegetable I like and this don't do such type of things. You have to eat all types of vegetable, all green leafy vegetable, all fruits. Why we have to eat? Because they are contain rich in minerals, salt and vitamins. All these vegetables and fruits contain a lots of vitamins. I told before that it contains lot of vitamins, and all the vitamins and minerals are body structure, control the body structure and protection of health, protection of different types of diseases. They protect you from disease and keep you always healthy. So here they are giving a different chart. Yes, Deepa said, yes, I know that there are 4 important vitamins. Which are they? A, B, C, D. These are the 4 vitamins. Carrot says they are called vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C and vitamin D. Look at the table given below. Look at the table given below. So we have to write down this chart in your book, children's. This nutrient content chart, carbohydrates, lipid, proteins, minerals, salt and vitamins. All these 4 charts you write in your book, and the uses of that with nutrient, what will get energy, growth and body structure and protection of health. Write down this table in your EVS notebook CW